Hi guys, and this is the Kingston station. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm showing you in the car right now. So it says Kingston right there. There's the yellow line. It says Kingston right there. And it says, welcome to Kingston, Mass, but you can't see it. But it actually says welcome to Kingston, MA. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Look at those railroad tracks. Those look pretty nice.
You're one lucky boy.
Yep. Here they come. Here they come.
Got their lights on. Ooh, and it's flashing.
Here we go. Here we come. Here they come.